Teeth grinding, or bruxism, is often caused by stress, anxiety, or even misaligned teeth. It can happen during sleep or while you're awake, and over time it can lead to headaches, jaw pain, or worn-down teeth. To stop grinding, start by managing stress through relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing. Wearing a mouthguard at night can protect your teeth while you sleep. If misaligned teeth are the issue, talk to your dentist about treatment options. Avoiding caffeine and alcohol before bed can also reduce nighttime grinding. With the right steps, you can protect your teeth and prevent further damage. For more health tips, visit docus.ai.